Hello, 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 hello. Another Sunday, another fun day. We're here together again with different type of food. Today, I'm gonna make a breakfast. We all need breakfast. We all love breakfast. You know, it's one of the best meals. You have a cup of your coffee or you have your tea with a little bit sweet. I decided to make pancake, keto-friendly pancake. You know that pancake is high carb. You have syrup, maple syrup, and it contains a lot of sugar in it. So how can we done? I don't wait. We'll go here, 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 here. I'll show you here. Let's go. First, I put 2 eggs. Three tablespoons of half and half. 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, then combine them together. Okay, 1 cup of almond flour. Then 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Then I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of Stevia Sweetener, Stevia Sweetener, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then I'm going to mix them again together. Okay, now it's well mixed. Let's go cook it. Okay, I heat up my pan and then I'm putting melted butter, which I made a little bit for the ingredients. The rest I'm putting it in the pan. Then I'm putting a little bit, just like a 1/4 cup of my ingredient, and I put it in the pan. And I cook it for 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, it's almost ready. It's almost ready. Let's design it. Let's design it. Let's make it a little bit design to it. Let's put our blueberries on top. These are raspberries. I put it on top of it. And at the very end, I got this guy, which is a maple syrup, but it's a sugar-free, low-calorie, low-carb. Put this one. Let's open it and put it on top of our pancake. That's a maple syrup. Okay, it's pancake. Pancake is ready. Ready. That's all about it. That's what I'm talking about. This is your good breakfast. Can't wait to try it. Okay, let's try it now. Oh my God, I love it. That's the best pancake I've ever had. Oh my God. Even my Kiki is craving for it. Okay, you want pancake? I don't give you pancake. It has sugar free actually. But I don't give you pancake. I give you your own food. Okay. The pancake was so delicious. It's very good for your breakfast. And again, thank you for watching our videos. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. Thank you for liking and giving your thoughts and ideas and comments below in the description. And just remember, Ketology is on fire. And that was my video today. See you next Sunday.